Okay, everybody got your books open? No, I see some books closed. Sorry? I don't like to do that. I'm not a big fan of the camera. I just like the board. Okay, so let's start, you guys, on page 4. Okay? The things I go over today, you will need to know for your test, okay? So, let's see. For the first one, okay, what is an animal? Okay, well, we know we need 5 characteristics all animals share, okay? On your test, you guys, you must be able to list these, okay? That means I will not give you the choices. You must come with them on your own. You know them?
Yes.
Okay, what's the first one? Maltese. Good. Let me catch up. Specialized parts, good. Reproduction, good. Yep. Reproduction and development. Okay. Questions so far? Okay, it's on. No? Okay. Now, for this one, you guys, what we'll do, just mark them in your books, okay? However it helps you, highlight, star, underline, whatever helps you, okay? So, you need to tell me the 5 characteristics that all animals share, okay? That means I will ask you, what are the 5 characteristics all animals share? You need to be able to say. Yeah. You need to be able to tell me. Multicellular. They consume specialized parts, movement, and reproduction and development. If you just write reproduction, it's okay. All right? Do you understand so far? Fantastic. Okay, next page. All animals can be put into 2 categories or 2 groups. What are they? Good. Invert. Inverts. Okay. What's the difference? Very good. Okay. So verts have a backbone. What about invertebrates? No backbone. You must be able to give me an example. Okay? Give me an example of an invertebrate. Ladybug. Good, ladybug. Birds or vertebrates? Ladybug, beetle, somebody said. Insect. Huh? Amphibians? Amphibians have snails. Good.
Mosquitoes?
Yep, mosquitoes. Good. Now, examples of vertebrates. Lions, bears.
Human.
Good. Questions? No? Okay, pretty easy, right? You only need to give me one example. Huh? You can write it if you want, but I mean, it's in your book, the examples of birds and inverts. Okay? If you guys want to copy, I prefer that you underline in your book or something so we can go really fast, okay? Good. Good. Should be fine. Okay? Quickly, okay, you guys? Finished?
Yeah.
Quick. Finished?
No.
All right, we got to keep going. Sorry. I'll come back to it later. See, it saves it. Okay? We'll come back later. Okay. One thing you guys need to know, everything, starting on page 6, is your vocabulary. Okay? The way I do vocabulary. Okay? Here's an example. I will say, number 1. A something is the smallest unit that can carry out life functions. Okay? This is an example. Don't write this down. Okay? Now, nope. At the bottom, I will have a box. Inside the box, I will have words. Cell, organ, brain, and dog. Okay? I'll have all your vocabulary words at the bottom. So what is the smallest unit that can carry out life functions? That's how we do it. No. This is an example. Okay? So what you will write on your test, you will see the box at the bottom. Okay? On the test, you will just write the word in the blank. Okay? You don't have to tell me the definition. Okay? Are we clear? Excellent. No. Okay? Now, let's see. Under many specialized parts on page 6. Huh? Questions? Yeah. But for vocabulary, no. Vocabulary, you just look at the words and you give them back to me, okay? Why is your book closed? Are you taking notes in your notebook? Why is your book closed? That's what I just asked. Are you writing in your notebook? Okay. Alright, many specialized parts, you guys. On the third line, okay? You see in the blue, many specialized parts, third line. Cells undergo, or they go through, what? Good. Differentiation. What is differentiation? It means every cell has a different, you need to know what differentiation means. It means every cell has a different job. Okay? That means your brain cells cannot work in your heart. They can't do the job. Okay? That's why we have specialized parts, because our cells all have different jobs. You understand? Okay. Finished? Okay. Now, movement on page 7. Okay. A lot of you guys got this question wrong on. Hold on, quickly. Has a different job. I know my D's are funny. Different job. Sorry, I'm just playing you guys. Woohoo!
Yeah. Right.
remove all the colors. It takes too long.
No.
Finished?
No.
Come on.
Yeah.
Time's up.
No.
Time's up.
Sure.
Okay? For movement, all right? You guys, a lot of you got this question wrong, okay? Let me write it down. If a sea anemone.
I know.
Wait, please. If a sea anemone, an adult, wait. If an adult sea anemone does not move, is it still considered an animal?
You guys let me know.
There's animal. Oh, I did right, didn't I?
I know.
Is it still considered an animal? Show, go.
Yes.
Why?
So we like this?
Okay, so they say that it does not move, but we know movement is a characteristic of an animal, yeah? So if he doesn't move, how is he an animal? Because young sea anemones, don't ask me to go to the bathroom. No. Oops. Because young ones move, okay? So they don't move as an adult, you guys, but they do move as juveniles when they're young, okay? So this is the key. Adults, they don't move, okay? But young ones move. That's why they're still considered an animal. They float around in the ocean. Finished? Is it here? Yes. What? Does. B-O-E-S. Sorry? Considered. Sorry, my handwriting is really messy when I'm trying to go fast. Finished? Come on. Section 1. Okay, consumers. Animals cannot make their own food. Can animals make their own food?
No.
Can plants make their own food?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. That makes them a consumer. Okay, section 2, page 8. Alright. It's still here. You come back later. Alright, but if you miss what's on the exam, don't whine to me. Go. Alright. Kinds of behavior. Okay? You have innate and we have learned. Okay? What's the difference? Okay, so it's not taught to you. What about learned behavior? Someone taught you. Taught or observed.
So
No, it's just the definition. You guys should know that.
Teacher, I learned
Okay? Now, give me an example in humans. Not in humans, sorry. Give me an example of innate behavior. Hmm? Birds, what's their innate behavior? You're on the right track. Okay, in your book it says puppies or dogs have an innate behavior. Chewing. Okay, for dogs. Dogs have an innate behavior to chew. It's something they do automatically. Okay? Bees inherit the tendency to fly. Speaking is not. Speaking is learned. I'll go over that in a second. Okay. We'll go over that in a second. What's an example of learned behavior? Talking, good. I'll go over language in just a second, okay? Now, I will ask you this on your test, okay? Okay. I will ask you, why is language learned, or why is speaking learned and language is innate? I don't remember how I asked it on the test, but you need to know that, what is it? The ability to speak, okay? Speaking is just making noise. Babies speak. This is speaking, okay? Speaking in humans is innate, alright? But language, English, Arabic, Spanish, Russian, French, language, sign language, whatever, all of this is learned, okay? So speaking is innate, language is learned. Is that clear? Yeah? Okay. Quickly finish, ladies. Come on. Okay, while you're working, I'm going to... I like pink. You guys finished? Finished? Excellent. Next page. Okay. Now, the 5 behaviors. Pay attention to this, please. 5 behaviors that help animals survive. Okay? The 5 behaviors that help animals survive. Number 1. Finding food, yes. Yes. Finding food. Everybody's got to eat. Okay? Number 2. Marking territory. How do we mark territory? Well, we don't really do it, but animals do it. Marking territory. What's number 3? Defensive action. Very good. So defending everything. Defense. Courtship. And parenting. Very good, ladies. Excellent work. Yes. You have to write them like this, okay? So, these you must list.
This by order? This by order?
No, the order doesn't matter. As long as you get these 5, you're fine. Why is it finished? Oh, really? What time did the break finish? What time does the break finish?